Today, I'm going to talk about the Open League. The Open League is a passion project of mine. I've been working on it a long time to figure out how we get this done. It's a little bit different to other presentations today because this is actually a community proposal to you, our community. But the Open League is a path forward. It's a path toward rewarding users to use the ecosystem's best projects. But first, I want to start with a story. Obviously, many of you might have realized I'm English, so I'm going to start talking about football. In 1991, there was a problem with English football. The top division teams, or all the teams in the Football League, all 60 of them, there was only one company selling the TV rights to all 60 games. So the top division, made up of 22 teams, felt they would be better off if they separated from the rest and were able to control the sale of the TV rights to only the best games. This would mean more money in the pockets of the best teams, so they could spend more on things that would improve the game. Better stadiums with more seats. Better players could be attracted by bigger salaries. So the Premier League was created in 1992, giving rise to an entirely new era of English football. Not just English football, world football. The model of the Premier League was soon copied by Spain, Portugal, Germany, France. Now, today, the Premier League attracts the world's best players. They've built the world's best stadiums and to cater to the hundreds of millions of fans worldwide. And frankly, it's kind of a defining force for why people even know about England at this stage. Can I get a show of hands? Who's met an English person and immediately talked about football within the first 10, 20 minutes? A few of you. Okay, not as many as I thought, but okay. So what I will show you today is how we as a community could build the Premier League of Web3 projects, where the projects get all the glory and the users get the players' salaries. The projects being the teams, the users, the players. Telegram is the stadium, and Ton is the nation. We call it the Open League, and it's designed to do for Web3 what the Premier League did for football and for England. Concentrate limited resources to give the biggest platform to the best projects, a tide that raises all ships that will grow to attract millions of users to Web3. A massive vision, ambitious, definitely. But today, it's a public proposal. It's not reality yet. The proposal's objective is to attract 5 million users in the next year with Toncoin-backed community incentives. Tomorrow, we'll put this plan revealed to all today to a community vote, and you, the community, will help us decide how we move forward with the Open League. So, let's dive into how it all works. Incentives would go to users in 2 ways. The first way would be through collectibles, soul-bound tokens, tokens that you cannot transfer from your wallet. They would be given to you for achievements that you've made within the community. Trading Guru for winning a trading contest. Social Butterfly for running an amazing community. Legendary Gamer for completing a ton of gaming tasks. Or the Whale for bringing all of your money to Ton, which is obviously a good thing to do. Second, via projects. So projects that launch on Ton would apply to this program to receive incentives. They would then give those incentives to their users in the form of a reward for completing particular tasks that they set out. So first of all, through the bonuses. Second of all, through the projects. We will introduce a seasonal structure that gamifies the launch of mini-apps. For projects, it creates a very perfect moment to launch your new feature, your update, your application, to onboard and captivate an active user base that's already following this program. They already know about it. It's structured, it's there. For users, it directs them to use only the best projects, gamifying onboarding, making their experience an incredible one from the very outset, and rewarding them for ton mini-app usage. So the flow will look something like this. The project would apply to get into the season. The project is then approved by the community. The project then gets promotion by Tom Foundation on all of our channels, and incentives for its users from the foundation. Projects will then list tasks for users to earn rewards, and users earn rewards for using projects. They'll also get additional bonuses for referring new users to the tasks, to the quests, and bonus rewards for being valuable community members. So sustained activity over time, proving yourself to be a valuable person in the community gets you more rewards. So how are these rewards? What are they? What exactly do they do? Introducing experience points. The experience points will be reputation points for the community and redeemable for ton. So there is an unlimited supply. They're points, not tokens. It's a very, very important point. With amounts issued based on the results of each season. So each season we'll review, we'll understand how it's gone, have we got new users, are those users sticky, and then we'll propose a report to the community to adapt the program, to improve the budget, to change it. XP is backed one-to-one by ton and redeemable anytime, but at a discount. A time-based formula determines the exchange rate. So the more time left, the less ton you get for your XP. Finally, then on redemption day, the final day of season 2, March 31st, 1 XP will be worth 1 ton. Community bot will act as the front page for incentive season tasks. The community bot will act as the entry point for the incentives program. In fact, even to get any reward or qualify for any reward, you'll need to complete the onboarding quest. With many quests per season, completing each task in the quest will award XP directly to your account. Completing every task in the quest will get you one of those Tom Foundation collectibles, soulbound tokens. Each soulbound token will boost your rewards. It will multiply it. So the more soulbound tokens you collect, the more you earn from the program. Each quest will have a referral link linked to your wallet address, and users will earn additional rewards, additional XP for referring friends. Boosts for your XP earnings will be a major, major feature of this program, and required if you want to earn the maximum amount. Boosts essentially do one thing for us. They prove that you're a valuable and unique user. And over time, the more reputation and the more boosts you get, the more you'll be able to earn from the program. So boosts will be things like having an SBT or completing tasks on a regular basis, on-chain activity, earning these achievement collectibles, and paying for services like Ton DNS, or Fragment Telegram ID, or Telegram Premium. These are all things that suggest you are one person, one user, one wallet, you're unique, and you're valuable to the Ton community and its projects that need to find you. Ton Society will be your profile, so you can grow your reputation using Ton. You'll see here we have 3 screens. The first is your profile. It shows your XP, the total earnings, and it shows your collectibles that you have in your account. Those collectibles are related to your activity. You only get them from performing certain actions. And then finally, in Ton Society, you'll have your exchange function. You'll be able to exchange your XP to Ton directly in Ton Society, paying Ton directly to your wallet. Projects. Ton Society will also act as the incentives governance platform. So in order to get into the season, you'll need to apply. You'll need to put a public proposal forward to the community and propose why your project can contribute to Ton's user goal. This community here today needs to find 500 million users in the next 5 years to achieve the goal. It's massive. We need to work together. We need to come together to complete this. And this is how we do it. Projects can submit proposals to be a part of the season anytime for inclusion in the next season from start. Then community members will vote on Ton Society to approve the XP grant. Once approved, Ton Foundation will audit the team and the plans and assist in creating highly valuable tasks that bring in active real users. There would be 3 tiers of proposal. So you're a project, you believe you want to be part of this program, you can propose yourself in 3 ways. You believe you can get 1 million users inside the season, you get 500K XP. You believe you can get 500K users in the season, you get 200K XP. 50K users, 20K XP. These are the 3 tiers, and each project will have to propose themselves under a specific tier and show why exactly they believe they can achieve this goal. This is why the focus moves to user acquisition above all. Projects should understand that to be part of the season is an incredible opportunity. You will not only get rewards to give away to your users, but also all the support of all the Ton community channels and marketing programs. This is why active wallets is above all the metric we're seeking to drive with the Open League. We have shown the amazing value that our work with Telegram can have, and we've made ambitious targets. And with Wallet's announcement and now global rollout from today, more and more of Telegram's users will have access to a Web3 wallet. So the Open League gives them a way to go from passive observers, people with wallets in their Telegram, to actively using that wallet. And that's what we're trying to do here, is activate users with the systems that we already have in place. So the strategy here is to spend, is to get 500 users in the pilot season, 1 million users from 15 projects in the season 1, and 3.5 million users from 15 projects in season 2. The strategy is to spend 1 year with all of our resources focused on building Ton-based Telegram mini apps. Every project should consider building a mini app, and in fact, you won't be allowed into this program unless you do have a mini app. The pilot season is a first test period, then season 1 and season 2 are when things really should kick off. Each season, at the end of it, we have a blackout period. This is where we review and understand what are the results here? How many users have we brought in? How sticky are they? And then we present a project report back to the community to help them to see, has this been successful? And how should we allocate funds to the next seasons? Should we raise budget? Should we raise the rewards? Should we lower them? These are all questions that can be answered by those reports after we have the data to understand how well this program has worked. So pilot season is a trial run. Changes will be made by community vote based on what happens in the pilot. It will be invite only for the pilot. so we won't be opening up to a community proposal yet. The community proposals will be for season 1. Should this beta phase, invite-only, pilot, should it be successful, should it deliver on what we want, active users using TON, then the foundation is prepared to really put a lot of resources into this program. Potentially up to 100 million TON could go through this program into users' wallets and pockets over the next 5 years, becoming a significant force for how we activate users from Telegram to TON. So we're pleased to announce that the pilot season onboarding quest will soon be ready. We'll handpick the projects for the pilot and reach out to them directly to Planet. And quests and incentives will begin for beta users as early as the 1st of December. So it's coming in hot as long as you guys approve it. You know, we got to vote for it first. So if you guys are game to do this, we'll do it. You'll see 3 things here in the onboarding quest. First of all, the stories that help educate the user. Second of all, tasks that will be rewarded with XP in the second screen here. And third, boosts. So boosts, as I said, will be a main feature. They will multiply your earnings, and the sooner you get your boosts, the sooner you'll multiply those earnings, and they'll continue on for as long as you have those boosts in your wallet. So that is the Open League. As I mentioned at the start of the presentation, I believe this is how we as a community can create a system that uses our limited resources to put the best projects onto the global stage, to convert millions of users into paid players of our ecosystem, and to turn TON into the hottest tourist destination on the planet. But unlike England, obviously, it will be a destination that people don't want to leave. So thank you very much for listening, and look forward to reading your feedback in the community and on the proposal. Now, you've heard it mentioned here today a few times, but many of you are probably new to TON Society and the pivotal role that it will take in this developing ecosystem. So it's time to dive a little deeper into that with Ekin Tuna, who's the TON Society lead. Thank you very much, guys.